how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your keyboard to SignalRGB. Now, the first thing that you want to do is that the keyboard that you are currently using is updated to the latest firmware. This makes sure that it's compatible with softwares like SignalRGB. Now, inside the main application, you want to actually click on devices, and then automatically it will be located right here. Now, if not, then we might have a problem because there's actually a supported devices list. So if you're not on it, your device will not get detected. So you just want to click on the supported devices. And as of right now, this is going to be the supported keyboards for SignalRGB. So you could simply search your specific model right here. Let's say that we are using something like the Asus Falchion. So it's going to be this one. And in here, we could clearly see that it is compatible. So that's how you simply connect your keyboard to SignalRGB. Once again, make sure that your drivers for the keyboard is updated to the latest version. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.